Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, what's in the bag?
Oh, just a midget. I found it.
A midget?
Yeah.
You have a midget in your bag.
What's a skinny midget? But yeah,
Why would you have a midget in your bag?
it's kind of like the new pet rock. It's
Can he-
tightly in a nice, safe little
Can
package.
you breathe in there?
Oh yeah, I got breathing holes. No, it's okay. This is a standard midget holder.
Did Obama make it legal?
I'm not really sure, but all I know is, I support it.
Where'd you say you got it?
Oh, I found it.
You found the bag and the midget in the bag?
I found the midget, bought the bag, the midget in the bag. Go time.
So you never take him out of the bag?
What's the point?
Well, what's the point of having a midget in a bag then?
What's the point of buying a midget bag if there's no midget in it? Swing around and stuff. You know how hard it is to swing a midget when it's not in a bag with a handle on it?
Is it
These
good
things are so
exercise?
convenient. Absolutely, dude. They're the perfect weight. They're a little heavy, but not too heavy.
This is like offensive.
It's just like Pogs. It's just a fad. It'll pass.
Even the word midget, don't they prefer like little people?
Dude, they can't even hear us, man. These things are soundproof.
Yeah, but he's got to be like in pain or something. I mean, he's in a bag.
Yeah, that's why he's screaming, but it's a midget. Who cares?
Dude, midgets are people too.
Midgets are not people, dude. They're midgets.
Yeah, he's a human being. He's just little.
Human midget being.
He's got feelings. He's got thoughts, just like you and I.
So anyway, what do you want to do?
Go golfing or something. It looks like it's pretty good for a golf bag.
Dude, I don't have room for golf clubs in here. The midget takes up all the space.
You take him out, let him walk around, let him do something.
Because then what am I going to do with my midget bag if my midget's not in it?
Put golf clubs in there!
Dude, this is not long enough for golf clubs. It's midget size.
Dude, I'm seriously not comfortable with this midget bag. Or the little person bag.
If you can't really be cool with my hobbies, then we're just growing apart, dude.
Maybe.
You're just missing out on this awesome midget fad. It's just going to pass you by and you're going to be left out.
Yeah, I think I'll pass on that midget fad.
Dude, I don't get why you're not into this, man. I mean, you've been in every other fad. You were into Pokemon, you're into Magic cards, you're into Pogs, all the other
That didn't involve putting a person in a bag.
Dude, it's a midget person.
Person being the key word.
Midget is the key word, not midget person.
In your little brain, it seems like something that would be fun.
My brain is not that little compared to midget's brain.
You just abducted a person.
And I didn't abduct him, I borrowed him. For my midget bag.
Like unplanned adoption?
No, I mean, I'm not going to sponsor him or anything. It's not like $1 a day for the midgets or any of that kind of shit. He's my midget, dude. He's my midge.
Yeah, I can't be a part of this. Sorry.
Alright, man. Listen out, dude. Peace. Go to midget practice.